Okay, hello. So I was out racing and I'm at the base. Hopefully we don't get ran over here. I'm at the base of coming down to Sapa, maybe, I don't know, 27 kilometers shy of the mountain. Hopefully we don't get killed here. I want to show you guys the flooding, how much water there's been. It's crazy, look at this. This is actually going into one of the towns. Now this is usually a dry bank. I'm gonna keep honking my horn so I don't get rear-ended. So yeah, the water levels have just been so high. And now I went up racing. What else is new? Made it to the spot where the little market is. I made a video on it. I just wanted to show this. Hold on, let me hold. I'm gonna get ran over. Look at that, right behind me. It's a curve and I'm sitting at the side. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this, how high the water levels have been. You think this is bad? Wait till you see up in Sapa. The water is just rising and rising. There's been historic flooding all across the region. So, don't run me over. Don't run me over. So anyways, all right, I'm in a death spot, so I'm gonna get out of here before I get ran over. And here to my left is a wall. So yeah, this part I don't really film. I've raced that guy before. He wants to be a CBR, but he's not. Anyways, all right, let me get out of here before I die. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. All right, we're out. Before we get